Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. Cars are expendable and after some time you'll have to replace it. The best option to do this is to buy a new car, of course, but also you can buy a newer, used one in good condition. Whatever the case, here are some symptoms that show you that you should start thinking about this issue and replacing your present car. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Lots of repairs and expenses. Of course, the first symptom you'll notice is numerous and expensive repairs. If besides regular maintenance, which involves oil changes, filter changes, tire changes and else, you also start making repairs on things like the dual mass flywheel, EGR valve, fuel injectors, the turbine and else, start thinking about buying something else. This goes double if your car has a price depreciation problem. All of that money on repairs is in fact thrown away unless you plan to keep the car. Your car loses value fast. When mentioning depreciation, know that cars lose value by default. But depending on the popularity of a certain brand and the car market in your country, that depreciation can be minimal or downright preposterous. If you see that your car is quickly losing value, even if you bought it new, consider another purchase. The exemption from this would be old-timers and cars that will over time grow in value. The appearance of rust, also known as corrosion. One more red alert is the appearance of rust on the car body. Peripheral rust, like on the sills or the wheel wells, is tolerable, but rust on key parts of the car body, like floor panels, parts where the suspension is mounted and else, can endanger the structural integrity of the car. So if there's a lot of rust, best start searching for a new car. Lack of spare parts. One more sure symptom that shows you should buy another car is if you see that spare parts are becoming hard to find. If you're a regular visitor to the salvage yard instead of the parts shop, this is a red alert. Know that after a pretty short time, those parts may not be available at all for your present car. Your car does not meet your needs. When you see that your car isn't fulfilling your everyday needs, you should think about selling it. The need for more space in the car, perhaps for less space in the car. You may need lower fuel consumption. You may be making lower or higher mileage. These are just some of the common reasons to consider buying something else. Simply put, you shouldn't keep what you really do not need. To summarize this video, if your present car is starting to cost too much in terms of gas, repairs, and overall maintenance, if it's unreliable at the same time, and it doesn't meet your everyday needs, start preparing the car for sale. The sooner you get a car that fulfills your needs, the better, and the more money you're going to save in the long run. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.